Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So I am so excited because I have the 2024 Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar. This is, amazing. This is, I got it last year and this brand sent it to me this year and I am loving. Now, I wasn't sure if I was going to like the drawers this year because it is a heart and it does feel like in the pictures I thought maybe it looked a little juvenile, but I absolutely love it. So this is this year's Advent Calendar. This went on sale on a preview for like on the app. It's $220. It's $300 worth of product, and then obviously you get the drawers. So let's get into this bad boy. Now, before we get into it, I did want to just compare. So this is this year's. I really can't get them. I'll take a picture and insert it, but this is last year's chest of drawers. So this is last year's chest of drawers. So it is a little bit darker, and I feel like this year's is made a little bit better. These drawers kind of like got stuck. I do love this, and that's why I've kept it. And then this top portion opens. This top portion, and may all your beauty dreams come true. So I really liked that. I do like the color. You can put stuff up here. I've just kind of used it, but I really haven't used it too much. I probably should. It's really nice. However, this one this year, and you'll see it in a second, it doesn't have like a drawer at the top, so it doesn't open, but it lifts. So this lifts up. There wasn't anything inside of it, but it does lift up. And then it says the same thing. I didn't even notice that earlier. So that kind of lifts up. So if you wanted to store it, really pretty for like jewelry or stuff. This one is a little bit more red than last year. And I also think the drawers open a little bit better, which I find kind of ironic because it's the shape of a heart. But that's just the comparison of the two. So I'll insert here a picture of the two side by side, just so you can see the difference side by side. But I'm really not sure which one I like more, but I'm kind of leaning towards this year's. Now this does come in a beautiful box. It's just too hard to take it out on camera, but it is a beautiful box. So that is really nice. So if you are going to gift this to somebody, and if you're gifting this to someone, can you be my friend? Because this is an amazing gift. But yeah, it comes in that amazing box. And then also, as opposed to like the mystery boxes or the mystery stockings that sometimes come out in Christmas, all the products are listed. So you know exactly what you are getting. And I'm going to tell you that I saw all the items. Now this was gifted to me by the brand. I have every single item. Now I have every single item that's in here, this is I think a first where I have every single item. So I'm going to go through everything. I'm not going to try anything on because again, I already have these items. So I will probably gift this to someone. But I did want to go through everything that is in there. And then a lot of these products I've used. I mean, I have so many Charlotte Tilbury videos on my channel. So you'll see. But there's me trying on these products. So let's go ahead and get into what is in the Charlotte's Beauty Treasure Chest of Love 12-door Beauty Advent Calendar for 2024. Now, as I stated, there are 12 products. 3 of them are full size and the other 9 are travel size. So how I'm going to open it, because I can't really do it on camera, well, I guess I can. So I'm going to go across each time and then just go across. So we're going to start with this one right here. And this is the Hyaluronic Happikiss in Pillow Talk. And I do have this one already, so I'm not going to swatch it, but you can see this. I love the Happikiss. I actually have these in a couple shades. The Pillow Talk is a great shade. So this is the first item, and this one is full size. Okay, now opening door number 2. We have, I'm pretty sure this is the travel size of the Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. And yes, that's exactly what it is. So while I do have this already and I have a full size, I go through these. I mean, this is my favorite lip liner. It's my favorite shade. It's my favorite lip liner formula. It's everything. So always having a travel size is great. So again, this is the travel size of the Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. Okay, so now we're gonna open door number 3, and this is the Pillow Talk eyeliner. And I have this, again, I have this already. I have the Pillow Talk, and I think it's the Walk of No Shame. This is a travel size, but this is a beautiful, it's like a berry brown shade, really pretty, gorgeous eyeliner, and very long lasting, fantastic. And I just love, it's really great, like obviously for someone like me who's blonde, you know, sometimes I don't try not to wear, you know, black, but brown kind of gets boring. So this is a really fun shade. So I love this. It goes with everything. So that is the travel size of the Pillow Talk eyeliner. Okay, so moving on to drawer number 4, and this is, I believe this is the mini travel size of the Pillow Talk lipstick, the Matte Revolution lipstick. And this is, there's going to be 2 travel lipsticks. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. This is the Hollywood Beauty Icon lipstick in Hollywood Vixen. So this is one of the reds, and the reason why I didn't think it was a red, because the packaging is the rose gold. So all the red lipsticks that just came out, the Hollywood ones, came out with in red packaging. So this one is in the rose gold packaging, but it's got the red lipstick. So really gorgeous shade. If you want to see me try these on, you can go up here. I did a whole video on these. So it's a really gorgeous red. And one of the things I like about this is I don't wear a lot of red lipstick. And so I think I might, you know, declutter the larger size and keep this one, because I like having all the shades, but I don't need a full size, and especially don't need 5 full sizes of red lipsticks. So I might trade that one and keep this one. I really wish this was a red. They kept the red container. Okay, moving on to drawer number 5, and we have the travel size of the Magic Cream. So this is a 15 milliliters of the Magic Cream. I love the Magic Cream. I cannot even tell you how many I've gone through. These travel sizes are fantastic. They're so good for travel. With the Magic Cream, a little goes a long way. It also wears really well under makeup. If you have oily skin, then I don't recommend wearing this, or if you're wearing like a dewy foundation. But pairing this with like the AIRbrush Flawless Filter foundation is amazing. Just a gorgeous foundation, and I love having a travel size. I have full sizes, but I love having a travel size for exactly that, for travel. So that is the 5th product in the advent calendar. Okay, so moving on to drawer number 6, and we have the AIRbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Now this is a travel size, so it's a little hard to get out here, but we have a travel size. Now I have one of these travel sizes already. One of the things I love about it is that if you screw this off, you can fill it up. So what I've done is I have one of the larger ones, and then I take it, and when I'm traveling, I use this. Now obviously this one is what I could use too, because it's already full. But then you don't throw this away, you can take it, and I love that you can use it like that, because a lot of times when it's like a travel, you can't open them, you can't like refill it, so you just have to throw it away. But these I keep, because that way I have it when I travel. But you know, the larger sizes are usually more cost effective, and I go through these quite a bit. I think I'm like on my 3rd, you know, full size one, and I use the travel size too. So this is such a great, you know, setting spray, and I love having it in a travel size. Okay, so we're halfway done. Let's go to drawer number 7, and this is the travel size of the Pillow Talk push-up lashes. So they just came out with the new mascara. I have not tried it. I know there was a leak that there's going to be a palette coming out. So I will probably get the mascara when I get that palette. Videos on just mascara really never do well, but I am anxious to try the mascara. It looks really great. But I do really like this mascara. I at first didn't like it because it smudged on me. But I think it was a combination of what the foundation or concealer I was wearing that day, because I have worn it since and I have not had that issue, and it works really well. Now this isn't a waterproof mascara, so I wouldn't wear it like to the theme parks or anything like that. But for every day, it works really well, doesn't smudge, doesn't run, doesn't flake, it looks good. So this is a travel size, and I actually really love travel sizes of mascaras, because also I get so many, but this way I can kind of, you know, switch them out, and I don't, there's less likely that I'm going to get an eye infection if I use a travel size. So I usually buy travel size mascaras, but this I'm really excited. So another Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara. Okay, next up is drawer number 8, and we have a full size of the Beauty Light wand in Pinkgasm. So here it is, full size. Now I have quite a few of these because I did buy some with the Disney logo, with the Tinkerbell. So yeah, this I have, but I love it. You know, I prefer the matte ones. I've talked about this before, but the pink one, the Pinkgasm, the more I use it, the more I kind of like, okay, I get the hype, and I've started to really like a glowy, you know, glowy look. So, but I do combine this also with the Pillow Talk matte one. That is, to me, is just perfection. But again, so this was like the viral sensation Pinkgasm, full size this year. Okay, drawer number 9, and we have a travel size of the Charlotte's Magic Serum. If you have not tried this, it's amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm not gonna try and get it out. It's great. There actually was a mini size last year, I think, and I used it up to the point where then I got a full size. So I love having the travel sizes. What I usually end up doing is every time I order, I get, you know, one of these in like the samples, and I just keep them and then I save them for when I travel. However, this is even better because this is great to travel with, and it's just so good, so perfect, like right after you wash your face, right after I do my glow toner. This is fantastic. So really excited to get the a little travel size of the Magic Serum. And then drawer number 10, here is the Pillow Talk. So this is going to be the mini Pillow Talk, and this one, because I know this was in here. So yes, I have so many of these. I keep these everywhere. I keep them in like just everywhere. I travel with these. I haven't used up my original Pillow Talk lipstick because I've gotten so many of the minis, and I just love them because they're great to pop in your pocket, in a small handbag, everywhere. I always have it. So this one, I'm probably going to gift this one because I probably don't need another one, but these are just perfect. I love having the mini lipsticks because this is more like, this is a travel size. So this is exactly what it is. I put these in my pocket when we go to the theme parks. They're fantastic. Okay, so we have 2 more left. These are the big drawers. So I like how it has 4 drawers, 2 big drawers, 4 drawers, and then 2 big drawers. So the bottom one, number 11, is going to be a travel size of the Glow Toner. This I love because this was something that I either didn't travel with because the one I have is really big, or you know, I had to put it in a smaller container. So to have this in, now I did get this in like a kit recently and I was able to travel with it, but I love the Glow Toner. And it's got the same, you know, it's, first of all, a little goes a long way, but this is something that I use right after I wash my face, both morning and night. And it's not a toner that makes your like hard, you know, your face like shrink up, and it's just, it's got niacinamide and it's very hydrating, and it's got niacinamide, pore tight peptides, and exfoliactive. I don't know what that is, but all I know is I love this. It really just gives my face a nice glow. When I first got it, I thought, oh, it's really nice, but I think it's overpriced. Now, no, it's not overpriced. It's amazing. I use it all the time. I use it twice a day. It's great. So I love having this travel size because this is something that I'll be able to travel with. I think it's fantastic. It's just a great product. Okay, and finally, we're gonna go to the last drawer, and this is the Charlotte's Magic Lip Oil. So this is, she has this in 2 shades, in tinted shades. There's really not a big difference between this one, but this one is the clear. I really like the lip oil, but I will say, I don't like the ball. It's okay, you get the product, but I just wish it was kind of, you know, like a push or something like that. That's the only thing I don't like about this product, but I do really like it. And then when it's cold outside, which I live in South Florida, it's never cold outside, but when it does get cold, or if I go to a cold weather climate, this is amazing. So I only wish that it was maybe one of the shades, but I can understand why they did a clear one, because that way it's very versatile, so everybody can use it. But I do wish it was one of the shades, but I do really love this lip oil. Okay, so that is everything in this year's advent calendar. Again, it's the Charlotte's Beauty Treasure Chest of Love 12 Door Beauty Advent Calendar. So, like I said, I have everything in here. So this is something that is good if you have a family member or somebody who has always wanted to try Charlotte Tilbury. This is like her best product, right? You got, you know, the glow toner, the, you know, I mean, this is like my skincare routine. Now it's all travel size, but then you have the Pinkgasm, which is viral. You have the travel size of the lip cheat and Pillow Talk, the Pillow Top lipstick. You just have everything in here. But if you are a Charlotte Tilbury stan, or even if you just like Charlotte Tilbury, you have a few things, you probably have at least some of the things that are in here. So then that's where it's like, you really are getting it. You're paying the money for the box, right? For the drawers, which is gorgeous, which I think is, and I would say the more I've been playing with this one, I like this one better. It just seems a little bit sturdier and a little better quality than last year's. Not that last year's was cheap, but I think this year's is just a little bit better. The drawers opened up a lot easier. So with that said, if you are like, you have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury, you have a lot of items, you know what they are, I would wait for one of the mystery boxes, because that might be something that there'll be, and those, like, you have the mystery stocking. I think this is gorgeous. However, if you have, you know, a mother-in-law, sister-in-law, sister, somebody that you want to get a really great gift and they haven't tried Charlotte Tilbury, this is a really great. Or maybe you have like a young daughter who is starting to get into makeup, a young teenager and starting to get into makeup and skincare, this is a great product. So I think that, you know, they'll love it. They can use this on their dresser. A lot of good products. So I think this is for a unique person. But again, if you're someone like me, the products are things that you do use up. So, you know, I've gone through several lip cheats and several Pillow Talk, Pillow Talk lipsticks. So definitely will use everything, but it might take me a little long. But anyway, I think it's gorgeous. It's $220. Okay, editing Shannon here. I just checked and my promo code Shannon FFA012 does work and will bring the cost down to $187. $300 worth of products, but then also you get the chest of drawers. So it really just depends on what's important to you. If you're trying to get like that 50% off, then I would say wait for one of the mystery boxes. But I think all the items in here are, you know, these are her best products. So anyway, so with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.